Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Friends, today I am going to make drumstick and potato curry, but it will be very different. So today I am going to make it in a different way. Today I am going to use masalas here. You can see this is jeera, garlic, dhania and some mustard. I have cut up the drumstick and potato, you can see. So I will grind the masalas now and make it into a paste. While making the drumstick and potato curry, I will show you the other ingredients. I hope you all will like it. Friends, to make the drumstick curry, I will use mustard oil. So put some mustard oil. Friends, I have taken kala jeera and 2 dry red chilies. This I will put in now. Now I will put in the drumstick and potato. Now I will fry the drumstick and potato a little bit. Friends, put in some turmeric powder. Put in the salt. Put in the masala paste. Some chili powder. And let the masala fry along with the drumstick and potato. Friends, I have fried up the drumstick with the masalas nicely. The raw taste is gone from it. Friends, I have cut up some tomatoes, big tomatoes too, and some dhania patti. This I will put in now. Friends, now I will add some water to it. Now I will cover it and let it cook. Friends, the drumstick and potato curry is cooked up. Thanks for watching my video.